up, greatness gang? D4G here. Alright, man, let's tap into it. Y'all know what it is, man. It is First Impression Friday. Got two new fragrances that I actually picked up through the Facebook group. Both from the house of Lattafa. We're going to get into the first one, then we'll tap into my favorite one second. At least my favorite looking one. The first fragrance is going to be Khalid, and this is from the Emarati line of Lattafa. It's like a private niche line, something along those lines. But anyway, the presentation on this is absolutely insane. Now both of these
trash.
Now both of these fragrances I did pick up on the Facebook group, and as y'all know, they be having the steals and the deals on the Facebook group. Both of these will normally rack around 50 bucks, especially on Joma shop, places like that. But I was able to pick both of these up for 20 bucks a piece, brand new. They still had the cellophane on it when I got it. Yes, bro, this is amazing. Comes with a little booklet, lets you know what you can be expecting from that line. Got a couple of different things like
come on now, dawg.
Got a couple of different things like upcoming fragrances, what you can be expecting soon, things like that. And then the fragrance sits in there like so. Beautiful presentation. It even has like a little mesh part right there at the top for the helmet. So yeah, beautiful presentation on this. And then the bottle itself, boy, oh my God. Boy, that thing is a fool, man. Heavy bottle. Heavy, boy. This got some weight to it, and this got some weight to it. Let's go ahead and spray it up. Let's see what we getting. Ooh. Okay, this is giving me a lot. I'm picking up a lot right now. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot going on. It's definitely an oud dominant fragrance. You're getting a lot of oud, getting a little bit of a spice, has like a woody feel to it. You're also picking up like a little bit of a slight amber appeal. Let me get a strip. We're gonna test this one out. And honestly, like some leather too, man.
Come on, man.
And a lot of leather, man. This fragrance has a lot of leather, and y'all know I'm a fool for the leather. This is kind of reminding me of a couple of things, like somewhat like a oud wood type of fragrance, but not exactly a clone. It's nowhere in that same vein. But this does have like an extremely, like if you like oud wood, I'm pretty sure you will like this. If you like oud for glory, I'm pretty sure you will like this. All right, first things first, you're gonna get a nice oud touch. A lot of oud, but you also get a nice dose of leather. The oud and the leather are working together extremely nice in the opening, combined with a nice saffron note that is adding more of like a earthy appeal to the fragrance. Nothing that's off-putting. It doesn't have like an Al Malik smell to it about it or anything. But this fragrance, bro, if you like oud, I'm rocking with this, man. Extremely nice, not a mass appeal type of fragrance, because I don't think that oud is like a mass appeal type of accord, but very nice if you do like oud style fragrances. This one is nice. Now the second fragrance is really the one that I've been wanting to get the most, really off of the presentation. And this is another one that's going to be coming from that Lattafa Emarati line, the niche line. And we're talking about Khanjar. From the house of Lattafa. I hope y'all can see it. Y'all about to see it anyway. It don't even matter really. This one right here slides out like so. Now this one I will say, be careful. You don't want to do it like how I just did it, because this box, it opens like that. So you definitely want to be mindful of that. Another booklet, so you will get that in that. And I want to say that booklet comes in all of this whole niche line, so no worries there. But Khanjar, you have the box right there, and then it just slides open like so. And then the presentation sits in there. And you just, to get it out, you kind of have to like, damn. Yeah, slide it up like that. Bruh, this is amazing. I'm gonna keep that stamp for sure. This bottle is absolutely insane to me, fam. Absolutely insane. Let's tap into the fragrance to see how it's coming off. But this, like the details, bro, the quality in this is there. If it is to be their niche line, it is all there. They did good on this one. I'm rocking with this bad boy. Let's see how this one's gonna come out. Okay. I already know what this one's cloning. If you like Ganymede, you'll like this. If you like Celestial from the Paris Corner EMIR line, you will like this. This is a clone of Ganymede off rip. Now for me, I do like the thing they've given to me, but I'm not the absolute craziest about it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the Ganymede line. Like, not saying I dislike it, but it's okay to me. This fragrance right here, very much so in that lane. Got a nice bit of spices up top, so you are getting like a good ginger spice up in there. You do have a nice earthiness about this self, like a very nice earthy feel about the fragrance. And surprisingly, I'm getting a nice dosage of like vetiver and some leather. So it's like a spicy fragrance, somewhat of an earthy appeal with like leather in a dry down, or as it starts to transition. This one isn't bad, but personally, my favorite one out of these two so far is Khalid, bro. That Khalid is a fool, but y'all know I love me some oud. I love me some spices. This is very much so in that vein. That Khalid, boy, that boy, absolute fool, man. I love it. But that's gonna be the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Were you rocking with these two fragrances? Do you have any fragrances from this Lattafa, Emarati line, you know what I'm saying, the niche line? Do you have anything in there? If you do, let us know down in the comment section what you got, what you like about it. So let me know down in the comment section. Let's get the conversation started. But with all that being said, we to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.